Quickset anti-reverse, built-in bite alert, dial-adjustable Magnum drag. All-metal gears, ceramic pickup pin, patented no-tangle design, changeable right or left-hand retrieve. 2.6:1 gear ratio, 19 IPT, 145 yards, 20 pounds monoline capacity. Pre-spooled with 20 pounds Zebco line. Trusted. Since 1954, Zebco Brands have helped people enjoy and discover the outdoors through fishing. Zebco products are warranted for a period of year from date of original retail purchase against defects in workmanship and/or materials. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy fisherman's must-have. This reel has been a staple in my collection for many years. It is reliable and sturdy. I have several on heavy action rods that I use for catfishing, large carp fishing and light sea fishing. I have had no problems with fish in excess of 35 pounds. That 50-pounder is out there for me somewhere. It will be landed on my Zebco 808.